Hey everyone, I'm Des, owner of Promo Drones, a video content bureau specializing in promoting the vision of visionaries through video content creation. This is a TikTok transition that I saw on TikTok and thought it was something I would try. And today I'm going to show you how to do it too. So let's get started. Step 1. Record and lip sync The Day He Left Me Was the Day That I Died. The effect that was used looks like this and is called inverted. Once it's inverted, hold the camera directly in front of you, then move your phone upward over your head. The best way to create a clean transition is to do it quick and above your head until the screen is black. Step 2. Switch your look, record Johnny Don't Leave Me, that part. After you switch your look, start with your camera at the top where it left off, then bring the camera down while lip syncing the lyrics. If you want to continue singing the song, turn your head as if you are looking to your left or your right. Move your camera to the direction you turned your head and repeat back to the front. Don't forget to turn your head after each look so that it connects. After you've recorded the video, it's time to adjust each section so that it flows. If this helped you in any way, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to learn more TikTok transitions. If you think this is a little too fast and you're not really sure how to even use TikTok, then check out my TikTok crash course. This quick course will explain all the features and the different marketing tactics that can help build an audience, build a community, all while having fun. All you need to do is go to promodrones.com, PROMO-JONES.com. There's a tab where it says Content Courses, and join the fun. Hi, my name is Desiree Jones, but I also go by Des. I'm a recent grad, entrepreneur, and I'm unapologetically creative. So far, I've finished high school, graduated from college, and currently exploring the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. I graduated from HBCU Hampton University with my degree in marketing. I started my company, Promo Drones, in college, and since then I've traveled all over the country creating video content and social media marketing for small businesses. I believe creativity starts with who you are. If you know who you are, then you're one step closer to achieving your dreams. Self-love starts with understanding and accepting who you are, while also working towards becoming a better you every day. The world of business is full of surprises, but I ultimately believe starting a business comes down to building relationships, having stamina, and being a lifelong learner. One of my favorite quotes is by Robert Frost that says, "Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail." I'm here to show you how my trail is being made from the very beginning. This is my journey. This is my story. This is the Book of Des.